Hello, this is Ed Burke of PlaceForTraders.com for Monday, July 13th. Starting off in the September Mini S&P. I did not do a video on Friday. I did, however, send the numbers out to people who are signed up for my alerts or my newsletter. I had the pivot level for Friday at 879.5. First level of support down at 874 even. The second level of support down at 868.5. Now these are 15-minute bars. You can see that this is where the regular trading session opened, just below that first level of support at 874 even. Within the first half hour, you could see that we traded above the pivot level very briefly, and then the market started trading lower. When we're trading around 877, I did send messages out to people. You could look to short the market, that we went above the pivot level and the market started trading lower. Looked like a bearish market. You could see that the market traded lower through that first level of support on its way down to the second level of support. Now the second level of support down at 868.5, the market, for the record, that was the low of the day, 868.75. It was exactly one tick away from that second level of support. When we're trading here around 869.5, I did send messages out to people. If you're short, look to take the profit. Just get out of it. We came close enough to the second level of support. I didn't know if we would break through it. Obviously, it was a good trade. Anybody who followed along with that trade. We did rally above the first level of support when the market was on its way down again around 874. Later in the day, I did send messages out to people. You could look to short the market again, which that really wasn't a good trade. We went down to 872 after I sent the message out, but you could see that the market just kind of traded sideways and then started trading a little bit higher. When the market was trading around 876, I did send messages out to people. Just look to cover the trade. Take the 2-point loss. We're coming into the last few minutes of the trading day. So all in all, obviously a really nice trade earlier and a small loss later in the day. For Monday, I'm looking at the pivot level 875 even. The market settled at 874.25. Needs to stay above 875 on Monday for a bullish market in the September Mini S&P. Below 875 is considered bearish. I'm looking at the first level of resistance, 880.50. Second level of resistance, 886 even. For support, I'm looking at the first level of support, 869.5. Second level of support, 863 even. I have a couple of weekly numbers. Basically, I have the first and second levels of weekly support because the market is trading in that range between those two levels. I'm looking at the first level of weekly support up at 881.5, which converges closely with tomorrow's first line of daily resistance at 880.50. The second level of weekly resistance is down at 869.5, which converges exactly with tomorrow's first line of daily support. For the record, that low on Friday, 868.75, we could see this is just my opinion, that we could see a bounce in the market because we did just barely break through that second level of weekly support at 868.75, the low on Friday. We could see, the market, that could be a critical level of support for the market. We'll be watching that very closely, what develops on Monday. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. I hope I got through this okay. I've had a terrible cold the last few days anyways. But if you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks for tuning in and good trading.